Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. First go to the NX, go to file, new, choose model, our units are millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, say OK and say OK. Now just go to the model. This is our model. Here first we'll start with this plate. Just go to the sketch. I'm just choosing the top plate, top plane, say OK. I'm just taking the rectangle, just creating the rectangle. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller. Now specify this dimension. This dimension is 135 plus enter it, say yes. Then this dimension is 90, press enter it. Then go for the symmetric, this point and this axis, say OK. Now the sketch is fully defined, then go for the finish sketch, extrude, make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 12 mm, say OK. Now we have created this plate, just hide the sketch. Then we'll create this feature. For that we just want to create one a datum plane at the location of 45, or just go to the calculator. 135 is the total length divided by 2. We have a plane at the 67.5. Then we will create one datum plane at the from 45 length. For that go to the plane, select this one, enlarge the plane, change the direction here. Here the length is 45, say OK. Now we have created a plane at the location of 45. Then go for sketch, select this newly created plane, say OK. Here you can see, yes, just go into the sketch, just hide this plane. Now simply create one circle here. Just move your sketch. Just draw a circle somewhere here. Specify this diameter is 40. Say yes. Now just take a line. Here we make it entire assembly. Then only you can able to select this endpoint. Just create a line. Make this circle and line as a tangent. And the total distance is 180. From the center of the circle to this line, the distance is 180. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Press the roller to confirm. Now we'll create the other side lines. Take this line, this point, somewhere here, just connect it as a tangent line. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now this distance is, they are not different. From here to this point the distance is 12 mm, and from this point select this one. This horizontal distance they have given, which is 63, and the vertical distance they have given, which is 28. Yes. This point is not connected properly. Then specify this distance from here to here, which is 12 mm. Now see here, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the trim tool, trim this one, then close it. Now we have created the sketch, then finish the sketch. Then go for extrude. Here make it unite. It is extruding this direction. Change the direction. Change it this side. The thickness is 10 mm. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we'll create this cylinder. Total length is 18. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a circle. Here. Just connect it here. Press the roller to confirm. Now just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. This side is 4 mm. Just apply it. Similarly, that side we need to extrude it. Change the direction of this side. This side 10 plus 4, 14 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this feature. The same has to be mirrored that side also. Just go for the, just choose these two features, 3 features, then go for mirror feature. Mirror plane is this one. Just rotate it. Choose this vertical plane. Just say OK. Now we have mirrored the object. Now we just want to make a hole. For that, take this hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get the hole. The diameter of the hole is 16. Normal to face, not until text. Make it throat body. Say OK. Then one more material addition feature is there here. For that, just rotate it. Just go for the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Now we need to create a rectangle. Use this entire assembly from here to here. This length is, make it 125. 125. Press enter it. And this width is just orient to the sketch. Make this maybe this is some 30. Just finish the sketch. Then extrude. Change the direction up to the length of 10 plus 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Unite. Save OK. Now you can see the plate is created properly. Now just right click it, orient view, isometric view. Now we have created these features and these features. Now we need to create two holes with a diameter of 16. For that, take the circle, just select the surface, say OK. Take a circle, just create a circle here. The diameter of the circle is 16. Say yes. Just move it somewhere here. The center point from here is 22. And the center point from this edge is 45. Finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Until next. Here we make it infrared also. Save OK. The same will has to be mirrored in that side also. For that, use the option called mirror feature. Select this extrude 14. Select the mid plane. Save OK. The both hole is created. Hide the sketches. Then right click here. Go for orient view, isometric view. In that, we have finished this model. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.